Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can hide or remove sensitive content from your Instagram main page or home page. So for that, just open your Instagram account on your mobile phone and go to your profile. Now in profile section at the top right side, you can see there are three horizontal lines. Click on these three horizontal lines. Now scroll down a little bit and here you will see an option called suggested content. Just click on this one. Now here you can see option called sensitive content. Now click on this sensitive content and now you can see there are three options: less, standard and more. Now if you want to hide or you don't want to see any sensitive content on your Instagram main page or home page, you will click on this one, less. You can read the description. You might see less sensitive content. So when you click on this one, less sensitive content, now your Instagram main feed or homepage will not show sensitive content to you. So this is the way how you can remove or hide sensitive content from your Instagram main page or homepage.